Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I can check is your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro reported in IMEI.info database. Okay, to do it, first we need to enter the IMEI number of our phone. If you have your phone, you can check your IMEI number using this method. Open up your phone app, then go to the keypad and type this code, *#06 and the hashtag. Now the IMEI number has appeared. If you don't have your device or it was lost or stolen, you can always find your phone packaging, your phone case, and the IMEI number is usually written on the edge, and you'll be able to find it there. Then enter the IMEI number and click on Check IMEI. Now we have our device. Now keep scrolling down and find basic checks that are completely for free. And now you gotta click on Lost Device Check. This is a free check of the lost/stolen status of your device in the IMEI.info database. Enter one of the parameters below to receive this result of the check. Okay, and then click on Check Lost/stolen status. And now we have the result that, for example, this device is not reported in the lost database. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.